Hey guys, it's good to see you all here again. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Auto MT. I hope you all are having an amazing and a lovely day ahead. So today we are presenting a video about the 2023 Dodge Barracuda. So let's start here. Reportedly, the new 2023 Dodge Barracuda might make the comeback next year. At this point, there is no official confirmation, but every day we hear some speculations about its comeback. First of all, this muscle car was one of the most famous cars in America and is also known as the Plymouth Barracuda. It was an instant hit back in the 60s thanks to its two-door styling with a hard top and the convertible body form. However, if this model happens next year, it will look completely different. Some rendering just came up and the upcoming model might be closely related to the Dodge Challenger model. The new 2023 Dodge Barracuda, from many rumors suggesting, will be much more aggressive than before. As mentioned, the upcoming muscle car will most likely borrow many design cues for its sibling Dodge Challenger. We heard that the manufacturer would make this car lighter because of the lightweight material like the carbon fiber, aluminium and other reserved materials for the performance of the car. If so, the Barracuda will probably be the lighter by 250 pounds than the competition. The Dodge has been using the same underpinning as the Challenger and the Charger models for over a decade, and this will be continued. As far as we know, the Barracuda will get the retro LED headlight, a thin grille, and a large bumper with a massive air intakes. On the inside, we also expect to see some changes in the Challenger elements. Of course, the new 2023 Dodge Barracuda will introduce its own style with more technology than we can imagine. First of all, the cabin should be roomy enough to deliver the outstanding comfort. Like the Challenger, we should expect to see the same 8.4 inches infotainment screen, featuring a GPS navigation and many new gadgets. The latest Barracuda will also feature a wide array of the driver assist like the driver airbags, passenger airbags, the brake assist, traction control, blind spot monitor and more. The new 2023 Dodge Barracuda will arrive with the three engine options. The first is the Hellcat 6.3-liter supercharger V8 that should deliver at least 707 horsepower and 650 pound-feet. This engine will be available with the latest version of the Z4 8 automatic transmission. As mentioned, the new Barracuda will be heavily based on the Dodge Challenger and it will use the same platform. The next engine that we expect is the potent 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 unit that will probably use the company's e-torque 48-volt mild hybrid. This engine option should provide an excellent fuel economy and the decent levels of the performance. The forthcoming 2023 Dodge Barracuda is supposed to debut in the 2022, but instead it might come earlier than we thought. The new muscle car will go up against the Ford Mustang and the Chevrolet Camaro, both of which start at under $27,000. Moreover, if Dodge wants to be more competitive, it should offer the new Barracuda at around $25,000. Thank you for listening us. Do like and share my channel.